Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, bro, I swear, the producers touched him. I swear, bro.
Something, man. Hey guys, we're back, man. We're back with Clipse, John Legend, Voice of Fire, Pusha T.
Oh yeah, so
Malice.
this is Clipse, featuring John Legend.
The birds don't sting.
Pusha T
Official
and I don't know why they
music
said Pusha T and Malice because Clips are Pusha T. I don't know, but the birds don't sing. Official music video. This literally came out like I think today or was it 2 days ago? Damn.
All right. Yeah. Hey, hopefully we don't get blocked and we get to post this.
Nah, I don't got enough views for that.
Oh wow.
I don't got enough views for that. Damn.
Like and subscribe, guys. Let's check it out.
So yeah.
Okay, this looked like it was shot on an iPhone 4.
Oh, that's his son or yeah. So
live,
I like this song.
we live.
Oh, you already listened to it?
Yeah, the song, yeah.
And whether we die unto the Lord. Whether we live, therefore, or die, we are the
Fuck me
Lord.
up, bro.
Oh, my bad, bro. Can you hear?
Yeah. I'm back here.
My bad.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. I believe they performed this song at the Vatican. Also,
Wow.
I think
That's kind of dark. That's not even kind of dark.
the
That's
message
very
of the
dark.
song is though. Yeah, the message of the song is like
The birds don't sing.
you see what you see.
Lost in emotion, mama's youngest. Trying to navigate life without my compass. Some experience death and feel numbness. But not me, I felt it all and couldn't function. Seeing you that day, telling you my plans, but I was leaving you that day. It was in God's hands.
his
It
mom,
was
I
in
believe.
Elon's waiting to get with me. On my way to Texas, that's when Virginia hit me. And I realized in that instant, our last conversation, you was against it. Told you I was going to church for Thanksgiving. I heard what I wanted to hear, but didn't listen. You said you told Jean that Buck needed forgiveness. I see you went to Didi's and stuffed both her fridges. You even told Dad you wished y'all never split it. See, you were checking boxes, I was checking my mentions. Saying you was tired, but not ready to
Yeah,
go.
man.
Basically was dying without letting me know. I loved you, Med Naj. Hate that he won't remember you. Two things that break my heart is what Novembers do. And T follows you. Now mind you,
Very,
Didi
very
calls
potent
you,
song.
Gene finds you. Was
For
that
sure.
your vision? Precision. While I'm reminiscing, it all hits different. Malice.
The birds don't sing, the birds don't sing, they screech and play.
What John Lennon? Oh yeah, you can't make it for the video.
They say, hey, man.
The birds don't sing.
Yeah, man. What do you think so far?
Sing, they screech and
This is this is very immersive.
Immersive, yeah.
Your car was in the driveway, I knew you were home. By the third knock, a chill ran through my bones. The way you miss mama, I guess I should've known. Chivalry ain't dead,
You guys in
let
their
her
40s
go
too.
alone. Found you in the
Yeah.
kitchen, scriptures in the den. Half-written text that you never got to send. Combing through your dresser drawer, where do I begin? Posted noted Bible quotes, were you preparing then? I can hear your
This is
voice
spoken
now, I can
poetry
feel your
at this
presence.
point.
Ask
Yeah.
me, should I rap again? You gave me your blessing. The way you spelled it out, there's an L in every lesson. Boy, you owe it to the world. Let your mess become your message. Shared you with my friends, the pops they never had. You lived for our fishing trips. Damn, I had a dad. Mine taught discipline.
One time about
Mine taught
his mom,
structure.
one time about
Mine didn't
dad.
mind when he had to pull a double. Mine worked overtime, smiled through the struggle. Cause mine wouldn't let us feel what he had to suffer. See, mine made sure he had every base covered. So imagine his pain finding bass in the cupboard. Birds don't sing if the words don't sting. Your last few words in my ears still ring. You told me that you loved me, it was all in your tone. I love my two sons was the code to your phone. Now you home.
Yeah, what pushed Pusha T to make something so real,
Right? Brother, yeah. Yeah, Clip, bro.
yeah.
Oh, the birds don't sing, no they don't. The birds don't sing, they screech and play. Don't the truth
Yeah, man. I mean, love the song message.
very heartfelt.
We need more stuff like this right in hip hop. It shows you how beautiful black people can make poetry, bro. It shows you how far it's so. We're not talking about like generic stuff all the time.
That's true. Right now, the game is so imbalanced,
Right?
barely.
That's why hip hop
stuff
fans
like this.
Yeah. Hip hop is where is that now? I mean, level wise, it's not up there no more.
Yeah, it's somewhere on the toilet rim or in the toilet. And somebody needs to just flush it.
Yeah. Oh man. But yeah, man. What you saying?
Remember
Crazy.
those who lost their mothers and fathers.
Damn,
Share
bruh.
Every single moment that you have.
This whole
with them.
video putting me in my
You
feelings.
show them.
No, let's tell him off his dad.
Ah,
You show them love.
that's real.
You'll see.
Okay.
Yes, that's their home.
Yeah. They really put their heart into this one.
Yeah, man.
It's watching it visually.
And then
lyrically,
you got this sick.
Why this nigga looking like?
Didn't we react to one of his?
Did
Didn't we react to one of his songs? Did we?
Yeah, the last one we did.
When he was, oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
his post snitching regrets. Oh, that's what I was.
Right?
Crazy.
Yo, yeah, that nigga. Hey, they say he's at. They say he's on pace to sell like 40 something thousand.
It's like fell out. Of course.
You get, but it's
God.
not. The music ain't good, man. And your Ghost Party ain't with you no more.
Right?
But yeah, guys. Tell us what you thought about the song. Did you like it? Do you respect it? Do you, obviously we all have parents and some of us don't.
Yeah,
But,
we
but
watching this, you can relate.
Yeah.
That's the number one thing I got from this. Highly relatable.
yeah, it's very always remind yourself, man. Got to your parents you love them, man, because you know as you're growing, they're growing. You know.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. That's true. Yep, sir. This world is like that, man.
Yeah, man. I make sure I treat my parents with respect. Make sure I
Always, yep.
it's like whatever I could do for them, I'll do it. You know what I mean? Whatever they need, whatever they want. That's the best you can do. You know?
Matters. Yeah. You do
Just-
what you can do.
Yeah, enjoy every day you have with them. Yeah, let's be grateful.
Facts, man.
I kid you not, but I be having dreams sometimes, bro. Like, I be having dreams, and one of my parents is not here anymore. I'm like, then I wake up, I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
I'm so glad it was a dream. And it's like,
Yeah, man. As you get older, they get older.
yeah.
And, you know, like, this thing ain't forever, bro.
And as you get older, you realize,
Yeah.
you
realize how good God is to you for
Yeah.
giving you parents too. 'Cause
Yeah.
A lot of people, they don't even have that, man. And
Yeah.
they be so messed up.
Yeah.
Because it's really important to have a mother and a father.
Yeah, very important.
Yeah, it
And
really
that's what
shows.
Says try to break, you know.
Yep, it's a.
Because you
it's
need that.
sacred.
You need those two. You need those two to
Yeah.
to complete you.
Yeah.
And I don't care what anybody says. You can't have one without the other. I mean, there's sometimes when you don't have a
gotta
choice,
manage. Yeah.
but you can't have two of the same. It's not gonna work.
Mhm.
It's just you gonna grow up all types of apples.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but yeah, guys, we don't want you to be like, hey guys, we don't like what you say. We already got blackballed. But
Yeah,
thank you
this
guys
was
for
a great
watching.
video. Yeah.
Really great song, really great video. Yeah, Clipse, bro, doing their thing, bro.
Good stuff, man. Good
Yeah.
stuff. Not too many like that out here, man.
Nope.
Not too many. But yeah, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. That was the reaction. If you want to tell us how this made you feel, let us know in the comments down below.
Mhm.
Also in the description,
Yeah.
we got our Views from the Couch merch store.
Yeah.
Check that out.
Yes, sir.
And also follow us on all platforms.
Yes.
And we'll keep it moving.
Yeah. Catch you guys on the
Anything.
next one.
Yep.
This one,
Cool.
that's
Peace, guys.